Hi, my name is Michelle Knizner and I'm a third-year student in the Doctorate of Pharmacy program at VCU. I chose this program because I've had the opportunity to work with many VCU School of Pharmacy alumni. These pharmacists deliver amazing care to patients, so I knew that this program would prepare me with a strong clinical background. Upon graduation, I hope to do a residency and work as an ambulatory care pharmacist. Last year, I volunteered at Crossover Clinic, which really sparked my interest in ambulatory care pharmacy. When I found out about the Special Topics Research elective, I thought it would be a great opportunity to strengthen both my clinical and research skills. The project that my research team and I are working on shows how pharmacists can be involved in the clinical decision-making for patients with diabetes. Across the United States, diabetic care goals are not being met. So our research shows how pharmacists can be used on a healthcare team in order to improve glucose control and reduce cardiovascular risk factors in patients with diabetes. This research contributes to innovations in pharmacy practice because it shows that pharmacists can have a positive impact in direct patient care. Under a collaborative practice agreement, pharmacists have the ability to prescribe medications, which is outside of their traditional role for pharmacists. So this research shows that pharmacists can and should be involved in making decisions for patient medications. One of the best things about being a student at VCU is our amazing faculty members. They are all willing to take on students for research projects, which in turn helps strengthen our own skills. This research is important to me because one day I want to become an ambulatory care pharmacist. This has been my first experience with research in pharmacy school, so Dr. Buheit has been very helpful in guiding our research project. He goes above and beyond to give us constructive feedback and to strengthen our research skills. Dr. Buheit is an amazing clinician and has a passion for advancing pharmacy practice through research, so we are so lucky to have him as a mentor and role model.